Hi, good morning everybody. Welcome to Toyota. You know, today I just wanted to share some thoughts about what really drives us here at Toyota. At heart, we're a company that makes things, makers if you will, with a passion for solving problems and creating practical solutions. And three core elements have always driven us throughout our long history. We're driven by the power of innovation in order to satisfy the needs of our customers, by the quality of our products, and by the dedication of our people. And our featured vehicle at the show, and the one that you've been waiting to see for the first time ever on a motor show floor, embodies the spirit of Toyota and everything that we as makers stand for. Take a look at this. Introducing a vehicle made by makers, for makers, our urban utility concept vehicle, the Toyota U² Concept. Toyota's U² Concept introduces a unique fusion of...
It's one of those things where, all right. Well, this interesting idea is a partnership. Small, flexible city. Cargo truck. That is a viable concept. Yeah. It's neat. Yeah. Who is it? Yeah. This is exactly. Oh yeah. This is pretty much down. That's center. Yeah. Space line for us. Yeah. It's pretty cool. Talk to you about
So there's seats, that's like the second row of seats. Very good. Get a minute. Go on by.